tibial rotation. What we're trying to do here is to get our lower limb rotating from side to side. It is meant to do that, it just often gets stuck. So simple setup, grab yourself a bench, you're going to prop the leg up onto the bench here and cross over. We're going to brace the thigh to make sure that we're not moving the hip, and then I'm going to use 2 fingers to find the tibial tuberosity. It's just a little kind of bony prominence on the front of the kneecap here. We can flex the ankle to take the ankle out of the equation, so a nice dorsiflexion, and as you do that you'll feel the muscle contract underneath your fingers. From here now, independent of the hip and the ankle, we're going trying to rotate that bone from side to side, and we should be able to feel that movement underneath the fingertips. If you're feeling anything into the hip, just try and focus and relax and bring that motion back into the lower limb. The hip should stay isolated. Just squeeze and brace a little bit extra if you have to. Becca's working on her tibial rotation here, her ability to rotate her lower limb. Your tibia is this big bone down the front of the shin here. What Becca's done is she's isolated her hip by squeezing it in towards her, and she's going to dorsiflex and pull the ankle up as high as she possibly can. From there then, she's got her fingers on her tibial tuberosity. She can feel the muscle in the bone there. Excellent job, Becca. And she's working to try and keep the foot chill and rotate through the ankle and the shin. You can see there's quite a lot of inversion happening there on this side. So for Becca, external rotation is her opportunity, but she is quite tight on this side in particular, coming into internal as well. Just do a couple more reps and then we'll do the second one.